So a lot of the time when working on this game, I am basically taking 2 steps forward and 1 step back. I will implement something and finish that up, at least I believe so, and then I'll move on to something else. And then a week or month later, I will accidentally stumble upon an error or bug or something in the original code I implemented that I need to go back to fix. And case in point, I will be returning to melee combat for a brief moment now. It's not a big issue, but it's something I need to take care of. It's basically related to when in combat, melee combat with more than one character. Let's just get into combat with these guys and you will probably see what happens. I am going to slow down time a bit here. Let's see if I can get it to happen. It's when more than one guy attacks me at the same time, and now I'm getting ruined here. Let me just load this game again. It's when more than one guy punches me at the same time, then I will be blocking one guy, since I can only block one guy at a time. But when they all punch me and I am blocking that one guy, they will all be stunned. Let's see if I can get it to work here. Here we are. No. God damn it. And I'm going to die again. Well, this is probably also a good demonstration of the other thing I need to fix with melee combat. Basically, when I'm getting punched by a lot of guys, I get animation locked in the sense that I can't attack them back because I can only attack when I'm in this neutral melee pose that I'm in now. But when I get punched, I get into the hit animation. And as long as I'm in that, I can't attack or block anybody back. So I need to fix that because while it may be realistic that I won't be able to attack or block a bunch of guys kicking the crap out of me, it feels kind of annoying that the game doesn't react to my mouse clicks. It basically feels like lack of reaction from the game. Let's just check if I can demonstrate the first issue again. Here we are. Yeah, see, that guy also got stunned even though I only blocked this guy. And that is because when a guy punches me or attacks me and he checks, and the code checks whether or not I am blocking, it doesn't also check if I am blocking that specific character. So that is something I'll have to add. And let me just do that now. That is this part of the code. Where are we? So yeah, this is if the target that the character attacks, if his animation type is in one of the 2 melee animation types, and if his animation frame is in this range of numbers, that's the blocking, then the character will get stunned. I call that melee exhaustion. I originally called it that, and that's just what it still is in the code. So what I have to check add here is also a check to see if the attack character is also facing in the direction of the attacking character, which basically means that he's blocking that specific character. So let's add that here. And direction. That's the character's facing direction, and that should be equal to the direction from the target character to the attacking character. That's it. Oops. The attack characters, X and Y coordinates, and the attacking characters, X and Y coordinates. And this is for punching, and I should also add it for kicking. If I'm blocking one kicking character, then that shouldn't block all characters that are currently kicking me. Oh, and this is attacking with a weapon. I should also add it for that. Here we are. Okay, so where is the kicking? Oh, here we are. I made a mistake previously. I'll just fix that in a moment. Character equals then. All right. Let's see if this works. I'm going to run in here and attack these guys again. And let's see if I only stun one of them at a time. Yes, only this guy is stunned, this one isn't. Cool. But I think... yeah, cool, that worked. Okay. So next, I will allow the player to not get animation locked when in the hit animation. And I'm thinking I just need to add this here. Was that it? Let's check. Hello guys. Let's do some punching. Okay, I need to get punched, and can I... nope. Didn't look like it allowed me to do the punch when I was in the hit animation. Let's try that again. Let me get punched. No, it didn't. Okay, so I missed something somewhere. Oh, that's... oh, looks like this is only the blocking code. Okay, so where is the attack code? But that's fine, because I should also be able to go into the block animation right away, even though I'm in the hit animation. So where is... where is the hitting? this is the right mouse button still being down. So that's when I hold down the right mouse button, I do the block. But I only do the attack when I release the mouse button before I start blocking. So that, yeah, that should be here. If melee combat, if character animation, crouch, neutral, or being hit. Let's check it again. Hello. Cool. Yeah, I jumped out of the hit animation and could immediately go into the punch animation. Let's see if I can also go into... Oh, it's going to crash now, isn't it? Oh. Let's see if I can also go into the block animation straight from the hit animation. Or interrupt the hit animation and go into the block animation. Timing is a bit difficult here. Yeah, I could block this guy while this guy punched me. Cool, that works. So that is the one step back thing taken care of. Now hopefully I'm going to take 2 steps forward. And those 2 steps should be finishing up the rest of this map here. I have now finished sketching out the rest of the map. So here is the parking lot in front of Hensley International, and I will be adding some cars, some parked cars here later. And then over here to the left we have, or we will have some 2 more company buildings. These are of course just placeholder for now. And I imagine either the front or the back one will be vacant and for rent or completely dilapidated, since this is a world in a huge financial recession. And then behind the buildings here we have a fence, and then there will be a large freeway back here with some of these big concrete divider things, whatever they're called. Probably not concrete divider things, but you hopefully know what I'm talking about. And I'll also be adding maybe some bushes here along the fence. And then I will have some big billboards, and at least one of these billboards will have a huge and expensive political campaign poster. Because in the game world there will soon be a public vote on whether or not to continue with the legislation that has allowed companies and corporations to pretty much do what they want. And of course all the companies want to continue with this legislation. So they'll have big posters urging people to vote yes on that, and then we will also have these smaller grassroots movements that will put up smaller posters here and there. Maybe I can just show one of them. There are a couple of them in the first map, but just instead of loading that up, let's just, yeah, here are some. So they will be putting up these kinds of posters instead, because of course they don't have the political budgets to do expensive campaigns like the big corporations. So that is the second map sketched out. So now I just need to make a crap load of more assets and fill all this in. So that's what I'll be doing now.